Hi, my name is Brian Lewis. I'm really excited about using symbaloo. I found it a couple months ago from Edmodo, and I really got hooked into it and really thought about how I could use this because I try to run a paperless classroom and I teach computer business. One of our ways we use symbaloo is to here I have my symbaloo created. I have directions here. The kids can click on this, then it goes through the actual where the digital citizenship is at. Then also they have projects that they can turn in, and there's different choices here. Another example here, so everything is turned in digitally, and we absolutely use no paper. So they can click here for their start, and it gives them instructions on what they can do. And then at the bottom it says, task 2, pick 2 of the tiles at the bottom to create projects. So these tiles here are linking them to where they can create projects. And I think it just provides my classroom with a very different aspect. You don't have to do every one of these, you just have to choose two. Another thing that I like to do is do a lot of professional development. So I like to create a lot of resources. This is a digital citizenship resource here. Also, flip classroom resources, and I try to run most of my classes as a flipped classroom. My entire class is run from Edmodo, so I post a lot of digital projects, digital lessons using Edmodo. Another one we have is recycling project here. Same thing, it gives you instructions. Here you actually have a Voki that gives you instructions, and then the steps to go through the project. It's kind of like a little scavenger hunt. Then at the bottom, of course, there's a lot more options here to create your digital media to turn in as your project. Then we also have just tons and tons and tons of professional development. This is my smart notebook resources here, and I've shared this to many teachers. Probably about any type of smart notebook information you need is on here, from the Smart Exchange to downloading widgets and Voki avatars to embed in your smartboard. So I just think it's going to help my class be paperless and stay paperless and at least be paper light. And I'm really looking forward to using this more and more and more as the year goes along and see how it's going to organize my class. And actually, it helps my students be able to go back and find resources.